So, and this is the third time we are partnering with Exito, and the experience has been wonderful so far. So, we have got a good number of quality leads, and the footfall has been great so far. And the main important aspect about Exito is that the events they organize is that they always drive a lot of decision makers towards the to the event, and then it's always like the interactions have been a lot of good quality. So the main thing about the Mates and Exito group is that the quality of people who come to this event is very great. So we get to meet a lot of decision makers and executives. So it was all about the quality of conversations we have, and we have got a good number of leads, and we expect to close a lot of deals using this event. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, yeah, correct. So we look forward to the upcoming events. We definitely will look forward to participate with Exito and partner with MITS. So this is the first time we are exhibiting in the South African region, and it's been an amazing experience to get to know about the culture, the market requirements, and things like that. And we look forward to exploring other markets as well.